Looking for irrigation system installation and design in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert irrigation solutions to keep your lawn healthy while conserving water. Our custom irrigation systems ensure even water distribution, eliminating dry spots and reducing waste. Whether you need a new installation or an upgrade, we specialize in residential and commercial sprinkler systems designed for Strathcona County's unique landscape and climate. With professional design and precise installation, we create efficient, low-maintenance irrigation systems that save you time and lower your utility costs. Want a greener, healthier lawn? Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert irrigation system installation and design in Strathcona County. Contact us today to get started.